The implementation of the controversial Comprehensive Sexual Education or CSC was scrutinized by lawmakers. Here's the report.
The Comprehensive Sexual Education is being taught to students under the Department of Education's Department Order Number 31. During the hearing of the House Committee on Basic Education and Culture, it was found that even those in kindergarten are included. Some lawmakers expressed concerns and even want to stop its implementation.
Hindi lang nila tinuturo ang body parts kasi meron ditong intimacy. Ito po clustering K to grade 3 core skills. Meron pang intimacy and reproduction. Including sexual body. Talaga yan ang problema
But a DepEd official insisted that it was only based on the reproductive health law and that the CSE's definition was aligned with that of UNESCO.
Bakit kinakailangan nating sundin ang Western ideology tungkol dito? Why are we not making important Filipino culture and Filipino tradition and our own religiosity? Yung mga members ng UNESCO, yung mga yan, most of them are actually atheists.
The definition of UNESCO was used in Department Order 31 and was in fact cited, but that it ends there, Your Honors. We are not implementing the UNESCO approach in its entirety, Your Honor.
Meanwhile, a data from the Philippine Statistics Authority showed that only 10% of parents are teaching their children about sexuality education.
Pero hindi po dahilan yan para tanggalin natin sa mga magulang ang karapatan nila na turuan ng mga bata. Therefore, anong dapat gawin ng gobyerno? Turuan yung mga magulang, hindi yung mga bata.
The DepEd vowed to revisit the guidelines in the implementation of the CSE.